So you're in there now?
Yeah.
Take it out.
Come G.
Yeah, what the flow is?
Yeah, playing, they just can't see me. It's like I'm covered in fog. And when they see the guns, them step back like their staircase is dog. Yes, and I'm a killer. You can ask the morgue. They got niggas up there that not no cyborg and they die very slowly. Gunshots hit them, they can't block it. They not no goalie. Yes. Yes.
Yo, my rhyme's like a thorn on a fat lady, that shit is tight. You could be hotter than the sun, homeboy. In the night, I take flight like a plane. I brings the pain, I'm on your brain like a gun. Yo, check it nigga, I'm in your brain like a cum shot nigga. I can't stop, I can't stay, I gotta go, I'm on my way. I don't play, bitches wanna freestyle, I kill lyrics every day, yeah. Seems like a battle. Yes, it really seems like a battle. Right now I seen the Kid versus Devon. Who go win? Yes, who go prove that them strong. Bad man all now, so me already switch me flow. Me don't stick slow, just like slow-mo. Them know the faggot that was going, I agree. All man know when he looking at you, seeing his lassie. Looking is real nice, don't look at him straight. Cause everybody knows slow-mo masturbate. Yes, who that prove it the other day? Was a man, what's his name? Run, I heard a man. Two, before them fellas gay, by Julie Ends, I saw them playing fellas in a play. One kind of old fucking game. Them fellas say who's next to kiss German. Yes, the next time they see you on the head walk, them fellas want you to suck them cock. The last time I saw you with slow-mo, I don't know what the fuck you was walking with that homo for. Yes, Batty boy, don't talk to that man. That man is a buller, he now have no woman. Everybody know his business in the school. The man walking also like he think he cool, but that man don't have no kind of rep. That man is a big motherfucking faggot. No boy not walking beside him cause gunshot to his forehead. Yo.
Huh?
You're battling.
Want to battle me? Anything,
Introduction on a reconstruction. This is Matt Smalls, nigga. I'm a real top musician. You don't know I'm in performance. This nigga's teeth is the same color of his buds. You don't know the drill. Don't play with Smalls. Top shotter, you do the grapefruit size balls. Don't know the drill, cause I'm a hitman. When niggas see my gun, they say shit man. And of course, I got guns, about 1 billion. Got more nines than the number before a million. You should know the drill. You know my gun spray anytime. You know I commit the most crime. This is nigga Smalls. Commit anytime, this is Matt Smalls. I'm a hitman in my freestyling, emphasizing, freestyle I'm wising, no surprising. This is Smalls, I'm here, fire burn, chichi man, and yes, all makume, and I'm coming to hurt, shoot wide, just like cut. And of course, if it's me you want beef, I could diss Devon, I could diss Ronald, I could even diss Smith, I could diss anybody who is there, cause I know between all of y'all, I'm not the one who is the makume.
Come and switch something in my talking shit, man.
Yeah.
Come and switch something in my talking shit, man.
Yeah.
I can't your mother.
Look at man, trying to step up. Come on. Well, when niggas step up like last week's movie, they'll be flopping. Yes, enough shells from the gun that will be dropping. And if you feel you was bad, then right now we tell you, you'll have to be stopping. We see you up in the mall fucking shopping, looking to get faggot in packet. But you can't buy that nowhere yet, cause it's a female buller, like a bullet, like what you get from the fucking gun. Gunshot take you off and tell you, I'm man, block this sir.
Come on, get this Peter man.
Come on, drop something on man.
Yo, that nigga think he gangster, he shaking in his pants. I hit him by the library, what day was that? I don't really care. His girl like a pizza, I fuck a bear. You can't go against me, I like that read like a flare. Shut your ass, you bitch. You's a hoe, you's a rapper. What kind of fucking name is Cleo?
I didn't even know that was Cleo. That was stick now. That was stick now. Look now, that was some fucking shit. My name is Cleo. Seriously?